Only on 9, we are hearing from one of the 123 people in Onondaga County who have coronavirus. 20-year-old Patrick Penfield. He's quarantined inside his Lysander home along with his parents and sister. Tonight he talks with News Channel 9's Andrew Donovan and has a message to anyone who is not taking the virus seriously.
Patrick Penfield's month started on the trip of a lifetime.
In the past few weeks, I've been to London, Barcelona, Paris, Dublin.
The same month will end in Lysander, legally stuck in quarantine, fighting COVID-19, only able to talk with us remotely.
I'll wake up feeling fine, but maybe by the evening time, the aches and pains start to set in. And so it's really hard to tell when I will have symptoms, and that's sort of how it's been for the past 2 weeks.
Somewhere in Europe, he or one of his SU classmates caught coronavirus, but he didn't know it until he was home.
About probably Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, I sort of had a headache, still sore throat, and a persistent cough. And that's when I found out that a few of my classmates tested positive as well. So I contacted the coronavirus hotline and sort of explained to them my situation and that I was traveling abroad recently. And they recommended that I get tested.
Aware he was in a coronavirus hotspot, he was staying put in his house anyway, but never thought he'd be one of the people to catch it.
Onondaga County Health Department, which has really done an amazing job. So they call me twice a day, checking my temperatures, basically how I'm feeling. And then they ask if I need anything, whether it's thermometers or masks or groceries. I've felt that they've done above and beyond what I ever thought a government would do.
You're a young guy, you're 20 years old. People younger than 20 have it, people in their 20s, 30s, and 40s have it more than originally thought. What's your message to people of your generation as we continue to have to lock down and stop the spread?
So my message would really be just stay inside and stop being ignorant. A lot of what I see is, people saying, well, if I get coronavirus, I get coronavirus. Fair enough, but it's not you that you should be worried about. I'm able to handle it where I'm young and healthy. I'm not very worried about myself. I'm worried about the rest of my family. I'm worried about someone elderly I may have come in contact with whose immune system can't support it. So I think it's really unfair to say that if you get coronavirus, you get coronavirus. It shouldn't be like that. You're not invincible.
He was worried about being labeled that guy with coronavirus, but instead, he's coming forward to stop the spread. In Syracuse, Andrew Donovan, News Channel 9.
Wow, such an important message that you shared there, Andrew. Thank you. And we are going to be posting that conversation with Patrick to localespire.com.